So you want to know what biology is all about. You want to understand, you want to learn biology. I'll teach you in this video. But for you to understand what biology really is, you have to ask yourself, what is the meaning of biology? Why do you want to study biology? And how do you study biology? I'm going to cover everything in this video. So let's start with the meaning of biology. Biology has to do with anything that has life. So simply, biology is the study of life, the study of living things, anything that has life in it. That is the study of biology. If you decide to go and study why animals are plenty today, it's called zoology. If you want to go and study plants, why we have so much grass, you want to study grass, you want to study plants, you want to study trees, it's called botany. Anything that has to do with plants is called botany. You want to study cells, you want to study eye, you want to study leg, you want to study the nose, you want to study anything that has life in it, you are going to indulge in biology. And biology was coined from two Greek words, which is bio and logy. Bio means life. Anything that has life is called bio. And anything you are studying is called logy. If I want to study phone, I will say phone logy. If I want to study football, I will say football logy. If I want to study aeroplane, I will say aeroplane logy. So anything that has to do with study is logy. Hope you understand now. So if you join these two words together, which is biology, is the study of living things, the study of anything that has life, be it plants, be it animal, be it virus, be it bacteria, anything that just have life in it, that's biology. And how do you identify things that are called living things? You know, we say biology is the study of living things. How do we identify these things that are living things? What character do they possess? For you to know this person is a human being, it has to have head, have nose, have eyes. So for you to know that these things I'm seeing, all these things I'm seeing, for me to verify they are living things, they must have some characters, and this is what we call the characteristics of living things. So let's discuss the characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. So for you to identify if something is a living thing, for you to know that this thing is a living thing, it must possess some of movement. For something to be considered a living thing, it must move.